Hello, my name is Daniel Nakwete. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the correct usage of portable and potable. But before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, like and share it. So I'm going to explain these two words and use them correctly in sentences. Let's start with portable. Now, what you see, okay, is called a morpheme. Okay, and what you pronounce is called a morph. Okay, so the one in the red tells you how to pronounce the word. Okay, so what you see and what you pronounce. So it's what? Portable. Okay, good. Now let's see what it means. Portable means something that is able to be carried or easily moved. Okay, so for example, if you look at this marker, it is portable because it is light. I can lift it, I can take it on me anywhere I go. Okay, if you contrast it with something like a car is not portable, it's heavy. You need special equipment to lift it. Okay, so I'm going to use it correctly in sentences for you. Let's start with the first one. Our television is small, so it is portable. Okay, it is small and so it is portable. Okay. 2. My typewriter is portable. My son will bring it to you. Okay, it's portable. So it means that my typewriter can easily be moved by my son. Okay. Number 3. The office is on the 3rd floor. So buy pieces of furniture that are portable. Okay, ones that we can easily move to the 3rd floor. 4. I can bring my computer to your room, for it is portable. Okay. 5. The ladder is portable, yet she could not lift it. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's turn our attention to portable. Portable, okay, so that one too. What you see, okay, is the morpheme, and then you have the what to pronounce, which is what the morph. Portable simply means good drinking water. Now, these two words have other meanings, but I'm only dealing with these meanings that they have. Okay, so portable means good drinking water. Now let's see how portable is correctly used in sentences. Okay, number 1, the people in this village do not have potable water. Okay, the people in this village do not have potable water. 2, the government must connect potable water to every community. Okay, potable water to every community. 3, any water can be potable to anyone who has been thirsty for days. 4, the water company treats water to make it potable. 5, I cannot drink this water. It is not potable. Okay, so this is my lesson on the correct usage of portable and potable. Okay, please look at their pronunciation. This is what? Potable, whereas this one is what? Portable. Okay, and please just learn how to use them correctly so that you will always communicate effectively to get the necessary feedback. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share it. Thanks for watching.